Marcano Studios.
We will talk about some sound effects together. Let's go! Some sound effects are short, like Sky's peeing sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, like Satow's pooping and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are longer than ever, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects. And today's talking about sound effect is the farting sound effect from Stacy. Hello guys, it's me, Noella, and today I will talk about the farting sound effect from Stacy. It's from a video called Disculpas por pisar semanas sin postar videos. Estamos cuesta M200 esa y amera #gotcha for #gotcha. It was uploaded on July 19th, 2025. The duration of the sound effect is 12 to 104. The total seconds are 52. 52 seconds. Right, sure. And like I said in my calculator, yes, the Lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like now. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my characters and OCs when they poop in the toilet. And you're right, I'm going to link this right here. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Stacy before using her sound effect. Alright, the sound effect starts on 12 and ends on 104. Make sure you remove the Lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later.